What's up, data? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As there is a new monthly opening and closing today, gold can give us a significant trading opportunities in this new monthly opening. Now, before we discuss how we can trade this instrument on the lower time frame, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold. First, let's look at the bigger picture, monthly perspective to see the general direction in the market. Now, as you can see, over the long term, gold is strongly bearish. Every month, the price was creating series of lower high every month. So it's a strongly bearish candle. Now, if you look at the recent time frame, this is the monthly candle that has closed, is in fact an inside bar, which is remaining between the previous monthly high and low. That can signal that gold might go a little bit of sideways movement in this month. So currently what we have seen that the price going up after this monthly close, so we can expect now to test some resistance level. The first of all, there is a monthly opening and closing. This is the resistance. What I think that as the price is going up, that's another opportunity for us for selling from this resistance level. This is a long-term bearish market. We could expect a rejection on gold to the downside. So now let's look at the weekly time frame to see what kind of price action we have now. On the weekly, as you can see, the previous weekly candle is a bearish. This week, the price, as soon as market open, we have seen a rejection. Now the price is going for a retracement to the upside. So with that being said, we could potentially see that the price again traveling to the upper part of this bearish week in this zone. There is a high probability that the price might break this weekly opening and closing, and then we can expect another push to the downside this week. Looking at the daily time frame, we see that the same zone is important area of value. First of all, daily trend line. If you draw this trend line with these three back-to-back daily candle, we can see a trend line along with a daily 20 period moving average, which is in fact a very important area of value with a daily doji. Now, if we draw this all those level, and we can find a significant confluence for shorting gold in this zone. Let's look at how we can find potential trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now, in this time frame, we see that there is a trend line that is on the daily perspective, which is acting here as resistance to resistance here. And also, if we extend that line, we see that the same level acted here also as a previous support zone here, acting here as resistance. And at the same time, if we draw this trend line on the lower time frame on the intraday perspective, we find that this both line in coinciding with there is an important area of value, which is the daily 20 period moving average zone, which is around 1660 or 1659.4. And that level is in fact a very important, because if you again look at this, the support here, also this is the support, and there was a reversal pattern on this lower time frame. On the 4 hour, we have seen a breakdown. So when you see a reversal pattern like this one here, there is a triple top has been formed, has broken down. You can expect at some point the price to test this previous support as a resistance before creating any move. So with that being said, there is a high probability that the price will come back to this level at some point later today to test this previous resistance zone here and also previous support zone here. With this daily 20 period moving average is the hot zone that we will be waiting for a potential rejection. As soon as we will find that, we'll consider shorting gold from this zone with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section what do you think gold, which way is going to be heading. That will help others to learn from more about from you. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.